Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to limit FPS in Steam games. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is go to the Windows search bar and type in the name of the graphic card we are using. In this case, we will do it for AMD. Now we will enter the AMD Control Panel. There we will locate the Games section and choose the Steam game we wanna limit. Finally, we will scroll down and among the games options there should be a section called Radeon Chill. If it is disabled, you will just need to enable it and you will see minimum and maximum FPS. To limit, you will just need to move the bars to the desired setting and that's it. That particular game will have an FPS limit. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next tech solutions video.